Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a rugged off-road legend in 1/64 scale, the Hot Wheels Chevy Blazer 4x4, model code HYX25, part of the 2025 mainline with collector number 81 out of 250. From the HW Dirt series, it's number 3 out of 10, and it's ready to conquer any terrain, even at this small scale. This casting features an aggressive off-road stance with oversized wheels, raised suspension, and a striking race-inspired livery. The red, blue, and white stripes combined with sponsor decals like BF Goodrich and Bilstein give it a proper desert rally vibe. The number 404 on the doors and hood makes it stand out as a true competition-ready machine. The Chevy Blazer is a classic nameplate in the off-road world. This Hot Wheels version pays tribute to the K5 Blazer, Chevrolet's full-size SUV introduced in the late 1960s and popular through the 1980s. Known for its versatility, it was offered in both road and off-road setups, making it a favorite among adventurers and motorsport enthusiasts. Under the hood of the real K5 Blazer, the most popular option was a 5.7-liter V8 engine, producing around 210 horsepower. Despite being heavy, the Blazer could still reach a top speed of about 160 km/h and accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just over 10 seconds. Impressive for a big 4x4 from its era. The Blazer's compact yet muscular design made it perfect for rally raids, dune climbing, and rugged trails. With its short wheelbase, 4WD drivetrain, and reliability, it became an icon of American off-road culture. Today, collectors and enthusiasts cherish both the real SUV and its die-cast counterparts, like this Hot Wheels casting. This 2025 release of the Chevy Blazer 4x4 is a must-have for off-road fans and die-cast lovers alike. Whether displayed in a diorama or added to your racing-themed lineup, it captures the adventurous spirit of the Blazer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Growing Cars Show for more die-cast unboxings and showcases.